Before we get started, let's see if we could do a quick unboxing right here on the leaning post, on my dirty leaning post cover. So looks like they send you with a seal. Seal it off once you screw it in. Make sure no water get up under there. You get the stickers. Looks pretty sturdy. Installation manual with wiring diagram. It could be pretty handy. Keep that close. Yeah, so they sent you a template to use to cut out the hole, but I won't be doing the exact same thing as you see here. I'm just gonna try and keep it tight on the buttons and the panels, and just cut out the section, the middle section. I don't like cutting big holes in my boat. This is the back of the panel. 2 main power connections, 2 main ground connections. I hope I have everything to do the installation for this today.
Your boom pineapple wine, your $1.50 all the time.
First, make sure we turn off all the power. Secondly, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers thus far and everyone who tune in every now and then. Just a heads up, there's a lot of wind noise and a lot of power tool noise throughout the video. Hose out the way for the deck wash down. The wind noise seems to be a guarantee every time I'm working on the big boat. But bear with me a little longer. I promise things are gonna get better, audio wise and visual wise. No fuss, no muss. I'm a pretty simple guy. My boat's wiring is pretty simple, and that's the way I like it. As long as everything works, I'm happy. Alright. Now we can yuck the panel out. There you have it. Now, if I could have found one of these online, I would have just bought it and switched it out, but you couldn't find any of these online. As you can see, it was a bit of trial and error to get exactly what I want, but it looks good to me now. So let's get cut. Should have removed the steering wheel, and I tried. It didn't want to budge. I could only fight one bottle a day. I used resin to glue in a few of the pieces I cut out earlier to provide some support to those center screws and to kill that gap behind those screw holes. I hot glued the pieces of fiberglass to an old paint stick just to keep them level with the dash whilst they dry. The old switch panel cutout was just a little bit too big. I didn't want to leave just a space there that would allow water to get in every time it rains or every time the console gets splashed. While drilling these holes, I remember one rule about fiberglass. The strength comes from the fiber. So I knew I couldn't just leave those pieces glued to the dash and think they would stay. So after thinking about it off camera, I dished out the old gel coat behind those two little pieces that I added to the dash and laid up some chop strand matting. Just a little something to give a little more strength. It's not like I'll be putting all my weight on it just to throw one button. Sometimes you just gotta stop and admire your work. If you don't, who will? Sometimes the backyard gets so quiet it's almost peaceful. It almost feels like I'm living on the outer islands.